Where is the pan I borrowed when you are going to your neighbor?
Yankechi, my day is already bad. I don't want you to spoil it for me alone. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God.
I will make it worse for you if you don't give it to me.
Also? Because I came to borrow pants from you, now you want to make it...
I want it now. I want it now.
Yeah, leave me alone.
I want it now.
Leave me alone. The pant that I'm putting on that you want now. Onto which level now?
I want this now. Please give it back to me.
Anyone no pants? Now leave me. How can you want it now when I'm wearing it now?
I want it.
You are hurting me.
I need it now. Please.
Hey, and what? Leave me. Leave me alone.
No, please, I need it now.
Pant that is not even my size. Leave me alone.
I need it now. Give it back to me.
Are you mad? Because I borrowed pants from you. Half pants.
I want it now.
Come on, get out. Idiot.
I want it now. Please give it back to me.
If you push me, I will push you back. Napadala. Are you the first person I'm borrowing pants from?
I'm not the first.
I
want it now.
You cannot want it. I'm not giving it to you again. I will swear you.
Or Mama what? Where is she? You're here. Where is my money? Where is my money? So you think you and your daughter can steal from me? Huh? Where is my money?
I don't know you have joined them by attacking me and my daughter.
What's from join? Join who? So you think you and your daughter will just come and steal from me?
No, we didn't come to steal from you.
Where is your daughter? And where is my money?
Oh, my daughter went out. She went to go and change the money. She will soon be back.
My daughter went out. You know they know again. Listen, and listen very good. If I return here tomorrow and I don't get my money, in fact, I am coming back with police. If I don't get my money, I'm taking you and your daughter to anywhere I like. I won't come here again. Nonsense. Below near my foot.
I said don't scatter poverty no. That ticket to is a bastard, yo. Yeah, you don't get it.
Open this door. Open this gate now.
You don't have respect again.
You don't have respect again. Open this door.
No. See, sister, I will not open.
I want to go inside.
Go back to where you are.
Open it.
Sister, leave me. Oh!
Come and bring my daughter. Come and bring my daughter. Come and bring my daughter. Bring my daughter.
Yes, deal with her.
Let me keep my daughter. Go and bring her back.
Mama Betty, leave me alone. Mama Betty, leave me alone.
I will kill you. You are the last person that was seen with my daughter.
I don't know where your daughter is now.
Just stop it. Go and bring back my daughter. Go and bring back my daughter. I will kill you. I will kill you.
Leave me alone, this woman.
Adadi, I'm not playing with you. I'm not your mate.
Am I also playing with you?
I will slap you.
Let me go inside.
Give her her daughter.
I'm
not opening any gate.
I will go and bring my charm. You know what it means when I bring my charm.
Mama Betty.
You know what it means. I will kill you.
Wait now, wait. See. Betty, your daughter ran away when she realized that the money was too small.
Hey! That means you're a kidnapper.
No!
You kidnapped her. You were seen last with her. Go and bring my daughter. Go and bring my daughter.
Mama Betty,
Go and provide her. I will bite you. I will bite you.
Mama Betty, no! Mama Betty, leave me alone, no! Mama Betty, leave me alone, no! Mama Betty, leave me alone, no! Hey! Hey, Mama Betty! Mama Betty, oh! Mama Betty, I'll kill you. Yeah. Because you're others, I'm not beating you.
You can beat me, I'll beat you back.
Open this.
I'll kill you.
Oh.
Anti-war!
Open this.
Anti-war!
Open this gate.
Anti-war!
I'll kill you.
She's biting you!
This gate.
She's biting you!
I'll bite her hand. Okay.
In-law. I don't know. Yes, we are here. In-law, are you in? It's Bobo. I told you. Yes. Anybody home? Anybody home? Our expensive in-law. Anybody home? Don't worry. She will hear us.
My in-law, we are here on a different level and
on a new platform.
on a new platform. In-law, Papa, just sit down.
Keep our items here.
Okay.
Very bold. So that when she comes out, the first thing that will catch her eye
Is the chicken before the palm wine. In-law,
don't worry. Relax your mind.
they are coming.
This is what we call relaxation.
no problem, Papa.
She has no choice.
She will not pass me by this time.
Why am I here with you?
No problem, Papa.
Every good means necessary. That is what we'll use.
No problem. Eke.
Don't mention that name. I don't want to hear name Eke.
Oh, we have to be ahead of you now.
I said don't mention that name here.
No problem, Papa.
Mama, you see, I've told you you're an evil child. I will tell my people what you did to me because of Betty's money. You.
Please, Mama, I'm begging you. Please.
How can you treat your mother? Look at how you were dragging me and pushing me.
Mama, I was only a child. I don't have sense that time.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
Mama.
have sense now.
Yes.
You have sense now. You, hunger, what hunger will do to you? Say you were saying go. I don't need your food. Don't come back.
Mama Obi!
You're crying for food now. You see Guzongwan, come.
Mama, you are here.
You see this, your friend?
Mama, you are here. Obi, my guy.
No.
Mama, I have good news for you. No. Mama, guess what? Mama, just get it.
I'm so angry with this, your friend.
Mama, you see
how he was pushing me?
Mama, sorry.
Dragging me as if I was
Mama,
a dog.
what I'm about to tell you now, if I tell you, you will rejoice.
Good news.
You know I don't just talk anyhow. Your son here, Obi, my friend, is now a billionaire.
See it now.
Mama, see, Mama, if I tell you the kind of money that this my guy is controlling, you will not understand. You see? This is the latest upcoming big man we have in this village. Mama, you see, as I am talking to you now, Betty is on the run. Betty is nowhere to be found. It means that if Betty does not return, Obi and Adadi, my sister, they're in trouble.
What does that mean?
Hey, Mama, Obi, hey, as I speak to you now, you are smelling treason. Hey, sir, you see, Mama, as I've been saying, they always say I say nonsense, but this time now, I'm saying the real fact. It means that if Adadi and Obi, my friend, do not provide Betty, Mama, I smell jail. Prison.
Mama, please, I need
Wait, Go out, go. Guzo, you see Guzo? Take Obi to them, let them put him in prison.
Just like that.
That's where he deserves to be.
Yeah.
If you were there and see what he did, he carried me, and threw me out.
Hey!
You go to prison, take him to them.
Hey!
Go to prison, that's
I'm
where
your
you
only
deserve to
son
be.
now.
I told you, I'll tell my people what you did. I told you.
This house will be empty without me.
Okay.
And now, I have a plan. You're my friend. Mama, I'm coming.
Now,
Huh?
you know you're my only friend in this village.
You know now.
I like you, well.
I like it too.
Yeah. You will have food in your house. Even if it's small food. Small, very small. See, since morning we went that place. Empty stomach. I came back empty stomach, and now Mama refused to give me food, and I'm very, very hungry.
I like that.
All the worms in my belly, they are shouting. They are hungry.
This one is wickedness.
Go.
Horrible wickedness.
From my mother to the son.
It's okay. What are friends for? You see?
Yeah.
we'll go home. There is lot of food in my house.
Okay.
The only thing that you do is just for you to go. Go! Go! Just the way you were telling your mother to go.
I was a child that time.
Child.
Yes.
And now you are what?
I'm an adult.
He shock you. Mama, allow me to interrogate him. You know, I am a policeman now.
Don't say that here now.
Oh, I am an inspector. Don't worry.
About these names.
Oh yeah, no. See, let's go. Come and tell me what happened in the city. Just gist me now.
Will you buy me gala?
Enjoy my service now before you go to jail. You know.
Take you to jail.
Mama,
go.
I'm coming.
Go to jail.
Come and tell me what happened. Oh, now. You are probably stubborn, no. You know.
No, but you give me food.
I am like a policeman now. Let me inspect your case.
Don't call that name here now.
Oh, sorry. I am a detective.
No. Yeah, easy good.
No, I'm a detective.
No.
Detective. Easy. That's my new name. Police will catch you.
This money issue. Money. Betty is missing. Money did this. Big bag of money, 11. This money is trouble. And because of it, look at what my son did to me. Help!
85 billion had the currency.
It's like I'm dreaming. Okay. I think something like you. You're not dreaming. I need you to calm down, okay? And tell me exactly what happened. Where are you from? And everything, please.
So, after my mother threatened to kill him, even me too, I said I would kill him with cutlass. He came to the house and gave me 1 Ghana must go back of foreign currency. Plenty foreign currency. I was very happy. I don't know that it's useless money. Useless money.
Betty, what is happening?
Have you not heard?
Heard what?
I noticed my love is back. And he has asked me to come and collect 1 bag of foreign currency.
One bag of foreign currency?
Yes.
You must be joking.
Do I look like I'm joking? Yeah? Do not come and beg me for money later.
You're not going anywhere. I
Why?
know your madness has started again, but I will not let it go further.
Yeah, Adadi. If I miss this money, I'll break your head. I'll break your head.
What
Adadi.
money?
I'll break your head, Adadi.
I'll
wound you.
Oh, madness. See, you see my face. Adadi, madness has started.
Adadi, if I miss this money, I'll break your head.
I'll not let you go anywhere.
I'll break your head. I'll slap you. I'll slap you.
You're not going anywhere. This is madness.
Adadi. They're not my love.
Betty.
Betty.
You see if I will not break your head.
Betty.
1,
Betty.
2, Adadi.
It's not okay.
Hey,
Betty.
Natus is back. Oh,
Betty.
Natus, my love.
Betty.
Get up. Natus. What is it? Natus. 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 Where are you? Natus. Betty. Natus. Natus. Betty. Mama. Mama, what is it? What is going on, my love?
It's not yet back. Did anyone tell you that he's back?
No, but I saw him with my own eye.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
I have not seen him. I have not seen him. Where did you see him?
In my dream, Mama. I saw him in my dream.
Betty. Mama. Betty, you can't kill me. Just because you see my son in your dream. That's why you are here telling me that he's back. Betty. Mama. Please come and help me as well. And you keep on standing there and be telling me about it, Donna.
He did not even bring any bag of money.
Bag of money? Betty, please come and help me as you care. Why are you behaving like this? Actually, you are my future daughter-in-law. Because Zawa, then you put it on here. Listen. No, I did not see anyone.
what is it?
Madam, cool down. Wait. I begged you, told me that you help me talk to her. And since then, I've not heard from you. Please now. Please, what is happening?
She said she is not interested in you. That she still loves Donna.
Did you tell her what I told you?
Yes, I did.
I don't even need her love. The love I have for her is big enough for both of us. Did you tell her what I said?
Look, let me advise you. Go and find another girlfriend. Betty is not interested.
Another girlfriend? From where now? From market? What is wrong with this girl now? Just help me talk to a girl. Eh? Am I asking for too much? I should go and look for another. Where will I find another girl? As if it's easy.
No need to hide. I've seen you already.
I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding. I'm a very honest woman. I'm not hiding. Good morning. How are you? How is your people?
Keep your greeting. I want my money.
I know I'm owing you. Just give me a little time and I'll pay you all your money.
Mama Betty, you talking of patience and little time. My money. I must leave here today with my money or one of your goods.
That goat. Eh? Leave it. Leave the goat. I will pay you. Just give me small time, little time, a little patience, and I'll pay you all your money with interest. Everything.
Eh?
I don't like
pay
boy,
you.
you know.
I'll pay you. When?
Let's go inside. Let me find you color now.
Mama Betty, I'm not leaving here today. It's either my money or I'll go with your goods. In short, give me my money. My money, my money.
Why are you holding me like that?
Because you're owing me.
And I'm owing you. Is that why you should hold me like that?
Yes, now.
My clothes is not owing you, so leave my clothes alone. Leave my clothes.
You are owing me. My money or your goods.
Omalicha. Where are you rushing to? Udala mejam. Oh, Mwana. Oh, Omalicha. Where are you rushing to? Udala mejam. Omalicha. Where are you rushing to?
Eh? Are you mad? Are you blocking my way? Are you drunk on your father's palm wine? What's this now? Why are you disturbing me?
Omalicha, if you like anything you like, do to me. Provided that it's coming from you, it will appear romantic. Yes, I want you to understand one thing. That I love you from the depth of my heart.
Go and love yourself first. If you love yourself and you want to prove it to me, you first of all go and buy shaving stick. And shave this your baby. Huh? And do this your hair that I don't know what it is called well. You are disturbing me. I will spit on your eye.
If you like, do anything to me, Omalicha. I don't send. Provided that it's coming from you, it will appear romantic to me. Yes, I love you from the depth of my heart.
Do you know who I'm dating?
My boyfriend is Donatus, the only man in this village that has gone to Oboro Igbo.
And you're standing here, with your scattered leg. You are disturbing me. You are disturbing me, oh. You are disturbing me. Saying this thing, come on, follow me and go and follow me. Stop disturbing me, please.
Huh? Why did you hate me this much?
I will slap you. Are you not seeing your leg? Who will follow you with this kind of leg?
Omalicha.
Don't worry, I will pay you. I told you when I get money, I will pay you. Eh?
When will you get the money?
Very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon I'll get
Let me go for the goat first.
I beg of you, don't worry.
I need that money now.
The money is not here now, but I'll bring it for you.
Mama Betty, please let me go for that goat.
No need now. No need.
Oh yeah? If you don't want me to take the goat, then give me my money.
Even if you tear this clothes to pieces, it will not bring the money. Nene, please now.
Mama Betty, I want my money.
What is going
Either my
on
money
here
or
now?
my goat.
Betty,
when are we going to ever have peace in this house?
she's threatening to tear my clothes. That she wants me to pay her or she will take our goat. Once this one goat we have now.
Which goat is that one? The one behind the house, I mean?
Yes.
That's half horn and one full one.
Ne,
Biko, the first day I went to cut grass for that goat to eat.
Okay.
Carry that goat, carry the grass, and the rope that we used to tie it. Carry everything. Okay, the goat that has half horn and one full horn. One and a half horn. Nne, go and carry the goat.
So you heard it,
But why will you say something like that?
Nne, go and carry the goat.
This goat has said that I will take to the mail to bring more children. Is that what you want her to take? That's not fair
allow
now.
us to sleep. That goat will not give birth to more children that will not allow us to sleep. Nne, carry the goat. Oh my.
Mama, we have come here to see Betty and also do the needful.
What do you mean by also do the needful? What is the needful?
Mama, call her first now. We have a lot of bodies for her.
Betty?
Yes. Hey.
Nne. Mama.
Come.
Oh, Omalecha. Olidimo Penge. Olidimo Penge. Mwana mma. Oh, enene bu. Olidimo Penge. Omalecha. I brought all this for you. Inside this nylon, you see chewing gum, sweet, sardine, popcorn, almost a supermarket. All for you. All is for you.
Mama, why didn't you inform your husband people that we are coming?
Yeah.
Did you tell me to tell them? Besides, have you told me why you are here?
Tell them now. We are wasting time too much. They are even anxious to hear why we came.
My friend here saw a beautiful bed in your house. That is why we are here.
Yes.
So you are here for cook and bed story? Huh? Yeah, if you know you are giving me this thing from your mind, tell me, let me take it and walk away. If not, I don't have this time, I will return it now.
Oh, Betty,
what?
Wait now. Wait. You know, the truth is, I am here to ask for your hand, your leg, every of your body in marriage.
Hey!
I love you from the depth of my heart.
Hey!
I mean, are you not feeling the love? Are you not perceiving it?
You know.
The love is too much. Are you not perceiving it? Just come a little bit close. You perceive my love for you.
Yes.
Yes. I love you from the depth of my heart.
You that you are standing, it's as if you are bending down.
That is how my leg is.
Let's press in between. I want to marry you.
No, they say love is blind. Yeah? Betty. Betty. Are you... Mama, help me talk to her now. Mama, instead of you to be even arranging things so it's like you are pouring fuel inside the fire. Talk to her. Mama,
Didn't you see her? Why didn't you talk to her
Mama,
yourself?
you can do better than this now. You are even chewing the gum and it's very sweet. Mama, can't you...
You didn't give me gum. You gave her gum and she gave me.
Mama, my plans is even to... I will bring bigger things. Mama, talk to her for me. Please, Mama. Mama, I love your daughter from the depth of my heart.
Why don't you do it from the half of your heart?
Mama, please. Mama, help me talk to her now. Mama, you can do more than this. Cause this thing. You are the one that caused this. How will you say that you saw a beautiful bed in the house?
Oh, you
see a bed?
I said a bed, you said beautiful bed.
A house divided can never stand.
You are the one that caused this. Sometimes use your brain. Every time I have told you before. Some reasoning for your anus.
You are still here. You like your body odor and your smelling mouth. You are still here. You are still here.
My love.
Do like this. I smell it. I see you agree for yourself. That's your mouth odor and that your body odor. It's your leg like that.
That thing is not body odor. That thing is I mistakenly bought expired perfume. Mama, you can do better than this now. Eh? Mama, you can talk to her for me. You are the one that
You saw
caused
her,
this.
you didn't talk to her. It should be me that will talk to her for you.
You saw a beautiful bed in the house.
I said bed, you said beautiful bed.
Instead of you to say you saw a languorous damsel in their house, a beautiful flower. Instead of you to use flower, you go and use bed. Now she's angry because you called her bed.
That's what
Let
us go.
At times I've told you before, if you don't know what to say, keep quiet.
Let us go.
Any little chance I give you, spoil everything.
A house divided cannot stand though. A house divided can never stand.
Mama, don't be offended. He's still on drugs. Please, forgive us. I will change drugs for him. Please. Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama, please help me talk to her. Please. He's still on drugs. See what you have caused now. And you can do better than this. You can do better than this.
Go now. I just press and go. Ha!
Mama, love is right.
What a shameful movement. See, let me warn you. Don't take me to such place again in your life.
Right. My sweet. My sardine. My chewing gum. Hi.
Your sweet. Your chewing gum. You are so shameless.
My sardine. 2 sardines, 240 each. 240 naira each sardine.
I said on the scatter poverty noy. That idiot too is a bastard, yo. Yeah, he no get respect at all. Oi, now so he dey yap man. Maka na kwonye ne wele kone peo. Kedu moye peo. Oi, ijo wa moy. Oi, maka onye wele ge wele.
Hi.
Ike, are you okay?
Thank God I met you here. I am not okay. I'm feeling cold. Are you feeling cold? Hi.
I'm not feeling cold. What is the problem?
Hi. I don't know where to start. I don't know how to start. Hi.
Start anywhere.
Alright, let me start from the center. Oh, Betty, your friend has killed me. Betty has killed me. Oh. Betty has killed me. Hi.
Betty do.
Hi. I don't know how to explain this to you. Betty has broken my heart.
Broken your heart?
As if that is not enough. She took my sardine, took my chewing gum, took my sweet. After taking everything, she told me I have a body odor. Not like I have body odor. Just that the perfume I wore is an expired one. I don't have body. Come and visit me now. I don't have body odor now. I don't have body odor.
You're not Betty's type. Okay, let me ask you. Was there any time Betty was interested in marrying you?
Partially.
In your dreams?
Carry your body order.
I said on the scatter poverty noy. That idiot too is a bastard, yo. Yeah, he no get respect at all. Oi, now so he dey yap man. Oh yeah, take it or leave it, yo. I am mad, yo. Don't I see mad, yo. I am mad. 30 billion have the currency. If we go, if my neck when don't equal and then why?
Donatus! It's a lie. Donna, is this you?
What is that your name again?
Adadina, a friend to Betsy.
Well, I just want to tell you to go inside the village and let everybody know that that's first for Bonjour.
Bonjour, Nkegekwa.
Bonjour, Tulez-vous?
Tulez-vous?
Tulez-vous? Hey, my bum is becoming bigger, Abi.
Tulez-vous?
Lamoui.
Ah, it's because of the plenty fufu we used to eat in this village. I'll work on it.
Hey, what's that now? Do you understand my white?
Sorry, when did you come back?
That's not your business. Your business right now is go to the village, eh? Tell everyone that Donna has made so much money. Take it or leave.
Have you told Betty that you're back?
And tell nobody. Just go now. Tell everybody. Now say, tell the whole village that Donatus has made so much money.
Yes.
blow the trumpet for me. Go to the east, the west, the north, the south. Tell everybody Donna has made so much money. Take it or leave it.
I'm going to...
Oh yeah, take it or leave it. I am ready. Donna is ready. I am ready. 30 billion have the currency. If we go, if my neck and my don't equal and then why? Oh yeah, take it or leave it. I am ready. Donna to say, but they can 85 billion had the currency.
Mama, what is it? Is Betty inside?
What is it?
Oh, Mama, answer me now. She's inside.
What's the problem?
Mama, it's good news. It's not a bad one.
Good news?
Hey, where is she?
Tell me the good news first. I need to hear it before any other person can hear it.
Okay, Mama. Donatus is back from Obodoyibo. I asked let me come and tell Betty first. Hey.
No problem. She went to the farm.
To the farm. Mama, I'm coming! Hey!
Hey! Namo! Unye mwika biko kwa mi. Okay, go on.
Take it.
Hey! Oh, me Ramya. Oh, me Ramya. Oh, me Ramya.
Your son has made so much money.
Hey, Namo! Oh, mwika.
Mama, leave this money. Mama, no, that is against the law. You don't pick money. It's meant for villagers to come and pick. Call people to come and pick. My mother cannot pick money.
My son is back. You're supposed to come and join me and celebrate him.
Come on.
Namo, should I pick up?
Now, I'm making it rain for you already. You don't need to pick the money. Of course, there's enough for you. There's enough. Your son has made money. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Mama, I'm sorry. This is your daughter-in-law, my fiancée. You see, I'm sorry I didn't introduce her first before. I guess the excitement and stuff. Okay.
Mama. No, Mama. No.
So
you're welcome.
She's from Sao Tome and Lome, all the way from Kome down to Dime. So that's my mother. The foreign lady. Of course. She understands the English and French. Babe, speak French.
Zazu.
No, it said you look like he's. No, it's not what it's trying to say. It's trying to greet you like, good day, ma. Exactly.
Oh my God! Thank you for everything, eh? You're welcome. No, Mom.
Let's
forget about it. Mama, please. You know, we had a very, very long day. As you can see, we look weary. So we need food. Good food. But from my mother, of course.
I have a lot of dry meat in the house. Let me get them for you people to eat.
Okay. So run along, eh? What? What? Oh, come on. This is nothing. It's just their culture. That's how she eases tension. Yes.
Mama.
Ma, just go, please. Just go. Take money, Mama. Take money, Mama. Mama. I'm happy to see my mother. But I think it's actually wrong time to like the celebrating. We actually. C'est pas problème, c'est pas problème.
Betty, your dream has finally come to pass. Hey, yes.
I had no dream yesterday. What did you dream for me?
Though now your love is back.
Huh?
Yes, sir. I saw
back.
He came back with the car.
How?
He came with the car? Yes.
Oh, the dog I love. Are you sure? Did you see him?
I saw him in Instagram and tell everybody that he's back.
Don't joke.
Joking.
Hey!
Oh yeah, take it here, leave it here. I am Medio. Don't I see Medio? I am Medio. 30 billion had the currency. If we go, if my neck and my don't equal and then why? Joy. Oh yeah, take it here, leave it here. I am Joy. Don't have to say, but take it.
You're going straight to his house, right? Yes. Oh, no. It's this way.
No. I have to go to the house. I'm going to bath and use deodorant and shave.
You don't need this. There's no time. Then I will go out though.
Are you sure?
Eh?
No shave.
It does not matter. You're not smelling.
Because?
Oh, let us go.
Okay, let's go.
You know your natural smell is perfume. Hey, let's go.
No, but nah, I'm not shaved. I'm not shaved.
Your natural smell is perfume.
Wait. Go back. Just go back fast, man.
You go back.
Go back. Please, go back. Come. What's up with you now? What's up with you? I'm telling you, go back. Come outside, man. Huh? Don't you know what is retreat? It means you should go back. Step back. Do you want to stain my white? What's your P? Huh? You want to stain my white?
No, it's me, Betty.
Kava.
Betty, your love.
Betty, which love? Who's? Oh, damn, I just saw this, man. Are you trying to say we're twinning now? Huh? I said it. When I was trying to make this $1 million hair, I said it. Are you sure about this style? That dude said yes. Now look at it. Twinning with some village folk. Hey! You're out of your mind. Do not bring your smelling self close to me. What's your problem? What's your problem? Me and Mo, you hear it? Got some lady in red, man. Oh, me and Mo, yeah, that. Me and Mo means me and Mo. That's my love. But that's some village folks my mom do employ to come do some cleaning here, so they stop by to know if they can do some cleaning for my mama. So
Comment ça va?
Comment ça va? Comment ça va? It means how you doing? See, she's local. She doesn't know anything. I'm dead angry now that we're twinning on the same hairstyle. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Don't worry, you're a snitcher.
You know, right? Miyamo! Take it or leave it. We are made.
Oh yeah, take it or leave it here. I am Medio. Don't I see Medio?
Donatus, I met Betty on my way home. And she explained some certain things to me. What happened? Why did you treat her like that?
I just told her the simple truth. You see why truth hurts? If I had lied to her, would she like it? I just told her plainly. Donna is a big boy now. I can't associate with some local folks. It doesn't work like that now. It doesn't work, you know, jail. Donna is big now. Take it or leave it, mama. Mademoiselle.
What are you talking about?
Well, what I'm trying to tell you is that I cannot associate myself with some local folks. No, you take a look. Take a look. You take a look. You take a look. Look at the chick beside me. Then you see what I'm talking about. Baby, take a spin for mama. Mama, look at that. After all this, I will see I should see myself. Think of it now. Think of it. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Donatus, I don't like the way you treated her.
Okay, it's fine. I will pay her for her horse. Ask her how much. I will pay her. I will compensate her for her horse, for her getting angry. Is that okay now?
Donatus, what you are doing is not good. It's not good at all.
Mama.
You have to rethink.
I understand. You're still thinking in the poverty way. By the time I use money to wash your memory, you understand that when you get money, you avoid some people. It works like that. So let's take a vows.
Oh yeah, take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it. You're sexy. Look at that, mama. Look at that, mama. Don't I use it? Billion have the currency. If we go, the man can why. Joy, oh yeah, take it or leave it. Yeah. Joy, don't have to say, but take it.
Stop, which one? Do you know what he said? Eh? He called me Kaba. Called me dirty village girl. Eh? From Donato's mouth.
But you're not a village dirty girl.
This is paining me, eh? It's paining me.
I understand.
What is going on here? What happened?
Mama, it's Donna. He called her a dirty village girl.
That's not the first one. He first said Kaba. Just looked at me and said Kaba.
It's okay. That shouldn't bother you. But I saw this coming. Yes, I saw it coming. Don't worry. You see, in this matter, I got your back. I'm coming. I'm my bed.
You don't call me Kaba. Don't worry, I'm going to call dirty village girl.
Do you even know the name of Kaba?
Donatus, you know I'm a naked woman. I don't look for trouble. That is why I don't want to have a hand in your death. Mana, if you ever imagine or think it to leave my daughter, you will not only run mad, you will die. Kelu na lake zinoya wezamia. Rubbish.
Donatus! Donna! Donatus!
You!
What's up?
So you have the mind. You have the mind to dump my daughter after wasting her years and her time. You have the mind to go.
Well, I just told your daughter that I'm big now, so I just told her the simple truth for her to,
Oh, shut up! Who is this one, teacher?
Cassette, it's not on Chicha. She sells cassettes. That's what she's doing.
I don't care. I don't care, teacher. I don't care what she's saying. I will show you today that my father is the strongest medicine man in this village.
Please calm down. It has not gotten to that. Please.
Look at you. I should calm down. When your son was busy bouncing on my daughter up and down, did you tell him to calm down? And when she was busy serving you, cooking for you, washing for you, going to the farm for you, did you tell her to calm down? You're telling me to calm down now.
Don't worry, eh? I will talk to him.
Don't talk to him. If you like, talk to him. If you don't like, don't talk to him. I don't care. I'm not begging you to talk to him. But if he doesn't come to marry my daughter today, you know now. You say you're better off here. Rubbish.
Take it on.
And you now, you're done. You're born for the guy that know I am my fault.
Donatus. Donatus, I know her very well. She is as strong as her father. We need to go and compensate her with some money before it will be too late. Please.
I just said that already. I told you I was going to pay her off, right? I'm going to pay her for all the, whole thing. I will do just that. Your son Donatus is made. You just refuse to see that, Mama. Money can solve anything in this life. Name it. Once money is involved, everyone will be happy.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me.
Okay? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
My MMA.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Money making machine. Maza bien ici.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
billion have the currency. If we go, the man
So, after my mother threatened to kill him, even me too, I said I would kill him with cutlass. He came to the house and gave me 1 Ghana must go back of foreign currency. Plenty foreign currency. I was very happy. I don't know that it's useless money. Useless money.
Okay, fine. You have to put all of that behind you. Yes, please.
Okay.
I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you.
One more thing, you need to take something.
Huh?
You need to take something to drink. What you want.
My throat is dry. I cannot drink anything or eat anything. I'm doing 1 million for the song they sing for me to go to the bank and change the money. Hey, other the 500. Okay. Hi.
Okay, fine. I need to take something that will help you calm down.
I cannot calm down. They are looking for me in the village.
You have to put all of that behind you.
Okay.
You need to take something chill and calm down. Okay? Yes.
How about the 500? Okay. There will be the 1 million. Okay.
Ada, so you kidnap my daughter because you know she has money? Eh? I am not a kidnapper. Leave me alone. No. You see, it will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. It will never be also well with you. Okay. What is it? Okay. Bia, don't finish that food though. If you give her that food, I will kill you. Just touch it.
Who does that? I will never give her food.
Sister,
you know you're my sister.
I bite you. I bite you. Eat a monta, go. Eat a monta. Mama, Betty, leave my back. If you bite me, I will bite you. Wait up. Mama, Betty, leave me alone.
Papa. Papa, what do you think?
I think we should go home.
Papa, for me, I think there is someone in this house that has refused to open this door for us.
Mado.
Yes, Papa.
Let's go home. Come back tomorrow morning.
Papa, if I follow you and go home, how sure are we that AK will not come here and marry this girl behind us?
Mado, you should know this. It's very simple. I mean, nobody has ever come to pay someone's marriage right with just him and his father. Everybody has to be around. That's why I say let us reschedule. When everybody will be here. It is getting late, as you can see.
Papa, if you want to go, you can go. As for me, I have decided that I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here until I see her. Ichorina, Naba. Eba come. Nama.
And hit at once. Messing with it. That is what will show you. Children of nowadays, they can never be grateful. I know his plans. Bia! Madu! It is a lie. I know your plan. Your plan is to marry that girl, run away with her, and abscond with the money as well. Oshi, you are a thief! I caught you red-handed with you inside your mind. Your mind is very bad to me now. So this is what you I caught you. It will not work. I will stay here, even if it means to wait till further notice. I will wait here.
Papa?
Yes!
There's no way I will travel with her without you. See, since you are doubting me, your son, let us wait together.
Osh. It is written. Look, it's very transparent. Your heart is transparent.
You are here already.
I don't trust
wait.
you.
Don't worry.
Oshi!
Papa Moa, your son.
You don't get to respect at all. Oi, na so they yap man. Hey, I said on the scatter poverty. That idiot too is a bastard, yo. Hey, you don't get to respect at all. Oi, na so they yap man. Maka na kwenye nwele konepe o kedu moye be o oi ijowa boy oi maka onye nwele ge nwele no manchano no oi you no get mouth to work ananala even niken oi if you no get the money nothing for you